here we are in our rolling home, and we'll make some oat milk.
Ooh,
So
oat
here we have the oats.
Oh, yeah, beautiful.
And I poured about this much oat in there. This is the Soyabella, and this is a cup, so I can put some filtered water. Make it nice and pretty full. And this will just rest till tomorrow, and in the morning we will go on. We're back in our intuitive kitchen, and here we have the soaked oats.
Oh, yes, looks
And
delicious.
and we'll pour the water out. And they're nice and big, actually.
Yeah, they're really swelled up.
Yes. And this is the Soyabella. We will put this together. Put it on here. And then we mill it. And now I press the mill button the 7th time.
All right, all done.
Yes.
Wow, and this is a machine that can heat up, and in this case we didn't heat at all. We just let the little blades grind up the soaked oat berries, and that makes the milk. Right?
I make it, I put it actually in the freezer for a moment so it's really cold, and the milk lasts longer.
So in a nice cold bottle.
Yeah.
Keeps it fresh. Like, wow, look at that. That's a lot of milk. It's amazing. This much milk probably costs 25 cents at the most.
Very little. I will pour a little bit in here.
Oh, left over in the glass.
Look at how foamy and nice it is.
It's beautiful.
And white mustache.
Great.
All right,
so
it's easy to make. You see, it only takes a few minutes, and it's very inexpensive, and it's really healthy and delicious.
all organic, vegan, and sustainable.
Yeah, I invite you. We both invite you. Here we have the oat kara. It's the filter where the solid,
Oh, the leftover, the pulp
yes.
from the oats.
And what I do is to pour it into a bowl, and in a little while it's like oatmeal. And eat this.
Eat it
it's really nice as a little snack somewhere. So a little cinnamon. Actually, I like lots of cinnamon. All right, have fun. Bye.